Alright, so today on 15 Days of Sunshine, we are shopping for some cruise supplies. First stop is Dollar General. Now you'll see why we like to go to the dollar stores in just a minute. But we're going to be looking for some supplies, mostly room supplies, right? Like stuff
Stateroom essentials.
Stateroom essentials. That sounds very proper.
It's very pinky up.
So let's head in here and see what kind of stuff we can find. So here's one thing. Some people like to take the dryer sheets and put those in with their luggage, and even take them and put them in the drawers with your clothes once you unpack on the ship. Just keep them kind of smelling fresh, and so some people do that. So another thing on this aisle is the cheap sandwich bags. Hilsey gets these for all kinds of things. She puts some little souvenirs in there. She steals a little bit of sand from everywhere we go, just a pinch of sand, and puts in our little jars for keepsake. But these right here are on like clearance for $1, so I guess maybe we get some Paw Patrol or Mickey Mouse bags to take with us. These are bigger. These are some quart-sized bags, so maybe we get those. So there's some gallon-sized bags over here for $1. Might be a good deal. So here we've got some sodas. They're 3 for $10 here. I know of a place where they're the like Coca-Cola brand sodas are 3 for $6.66 right now. So we're gonna pass on those for now and get our sodas from that other store. Hey man.
Hey.
Ready to do some shopping and go cruising? Alright. She's one step ahead of me. Look at this. She got the princess ones. I was gonna do the Mickey Mouse ones. Or Paw Patrol.
Paw Patrol.
But I guess we're doing princess.
We are.
So this is another thing that we don't do, but we have seen people do before. When you take your own water bottle and get some water, and then they've got all these different flavorings. They got lemonades and
Crush?
juices.
Crush?
Yeah, and they're like, oh yeah, here's
Root beer.
Crush. So root beer.
Not root beer.
And they're only $1. So you want to try some of these? You want to take some of these with you? You want to try some of these? All right, pick a couple out. All right, so you want to try some Swedish fish?
Yeah.
You ever had those before?
No.
So this is an 8-ounce bag. 8-ounce bag of Swedish fish for $2. They got the 4-ounce bag of the dollar store brand over there for $1. So it's basically the same price, and you get the actual Swedish fish. So try those.
Yeah.
All right, so this is where you'll definitely want to stock up on your room essentials. And you got your little shoe organizer full of stuff to keep everything organized. This is where you'll definitely want to stock up on that. You got travel size. This is just on the regular like cosmetics aisle, and they've got this little section. And you got toothpaste and mouthwash. What else you got? Shampoo. Little pack of
Q-tips.
Q-tips.
We got
some
powder
Gold Bond.
if you
You'll be
need
doing
it.
a lot of walking, so you might need some powder. Let's see, more
Deodorant.
shampoos. Your little mini deodorants. Take some of that. That way you don't take your big one. And if you lose it or when you get done, just toss it.
Or if you need it after an excursion, if you're out and get hot and sweaty and need a refresher, just keep that in your bag.
Yeah, instead of taking a full size one. What else is down here? Some disposable razors.
Makeup wipes.
Makeup wipes?
Hairspray.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Mouthwash.
Clean yourself up a little bit. Oh, travel toothpaste holder. You gotta get some of those. So we're gonna go through and find some stuff, and we'll show you. Oh, hand sanitizer. Definitely need that on a ship so you don't get
And
sick.
look, they have little bags for them right next to it. If you want to keep it all, if you don't have a little toiletries bag, they've got men ones too. Man colors.
Oh, little toiletry bag. Yeah. See, we use our little shoe organizer thing. We'll show you guys later, but, to keep all our stuff in. But that may be a good idea. You could probably pack all these little minis
Oh yeah.
in one of these toiletry bags and have it all in one place. All right. So stop number 1 was a pretty good success.
Yeah.
Got a lot of the stuff we needed. We still got a few things to get, which our third stop can probably close that out.
Oh yeah.
But here You're at the Dollar Tree. So this is like an even cheaper dollar store. Dollar Tree, if you don't have it where you're at, they're like basically like everything's $1. Yeah, so look right there at the door. It is. Everything's $1. So yeah, so we're gonna go in here, and what we're mainly looking for here is some decorations, like some magnets and stuff, like some door decorations, so we can easily identify our stateroom door. Do you have any magnets, or are these just signs?
Well, you get a magnet to hang it with.
Because on Carnival, you can only use magnets or command strips. So.
Well, it wasn't the most successful trip ever to the dollar store. But...
Yeah, the Dollar Tree was kind of a bust.
Oops.
Got some cheap flip flaps.
Uh-oh. I'm in the way.
No problem. What are you doing?
I don't know. I'm in the way.
Why are you parked in the middle of the road?
I don't know.
Oh my gosh.
I don't know what to do.
Ah!
Sorry. Ah!
Oh
gosh.
no.
Oh no. I'm gonna back out.
Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna back out. There you go.
This is not good.
Backing up.
Oh gosh. What are we doing here?
Oh gosh.
Oh
I don't know
gosh.
what I was thinking.
What are we doing?
There.
So Dollar Store was a bust. We got some cheap flip flaps, and that was about it. No big door magnets, none of that stuff. So we got one more place to go, pick up a few things, and it's the big one.
And it's about to rain.
And it's about to rain. Look at this.
Golly,
And if we don't find anything, the good thing is we have 6 days to order stuff on Amazon. So just order it on Amazon.
If we can ever get out of this parking lot.
Look. Oh, look, last car. Go, 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 go. Ah! Alright, so this is our third final stop today. Is the Walmart's. It's all the way in the next parking lot from Dollar General. That's Dollar General over there. That's the Dollar General over there on the between those trees. So we had to come all the way over here. Alright, so this is the mama of travel size departments here at the Walmarts. There you go.
Wall of Marks.
Walmarts. So let's see. We got travel size Dramamine. Do we have any of that?
Something's happening to my eye.
Yeah. So you got really everything here, from eye drops to Lysol. You got wet wipes, first aid kit, Tide to go.
Travel packs. If you don't know what to grab one
Little
of
travel
these.
packs, everything, just get you started. So, I mean, really everything here. So we're gonna grab a bunch of stuff. Tissues. There's some tissues.
Hey y'all.
Toothpicks. All right, so we've already got our little power strip, but I wanted to show you guys something right here. So when you're looking, you can have a power strip, but you can't have it with a surge protector. You can't have a surge protector. So like this guy up here, like these two look basically the same, right? Mm-hmm. This is a power strip right there. Power strip, surge protector. It cannot have surge protection. So it has to be just a regular power strip. This one's cool because it has USB. So make sure that you look for that. These guys down here at the bottom, 3 outlet, $2. That right there, 6 outlet for $4. Those will do perfectly fine. That's really all you need. So just make sure no surge protection. It's pretty easy to distinguish which ones have surge protection and which don't. So we went to the store for just 10 minutes, and it's the storm of the century. Oh my gosh, it's blowing him away. Alright, so here's our shopping haul for today. So really today was about our cabin essentials, getting some of those, everything that's really going to go in the shoe organizer. We keep all of the, all this stuff, most of this stuff, the toothbrush and stuff like that won't be in there, and the body wash, but most of this stuff will be in the shoe organizer. Easy to get, easy to see because it's clear, so it's clear, so you can see in it and find stuff real easy. But we found a lot of good stuff. Sadie, you're in the shot. I know the light's not very good. Swedish fish are road snacks for our son, but So you got some cheap sandals.
Oh yeah, everybody needs these. They're $1.
What we got? We got our command strips to hang our little American Eagle over there. He's foam, fire retardant foam. So it's got to be fire retardant and has to be hung up by command strips or magnets. All right, so we've got, let's see, deodorant. We've got antacid Tums. What else we got? Some razors. Those little water drink mixers that we were talking about. Lint roller, Downy wrinkle releaser, some Q-tips. Don't put those in your ears. Don't put them deep down in your ears. But you know, sometimes you might need to get a little water out of the entryway.
This is essential.
So you got Gold Bond for, you know, any friction that may happen
like
when you're doing a lot of walking, but it's like a deodorant stick. This is not powder, so that's a good thing to have. Got hand sanitizer, our little toothpicks. What is this? Hairspray. Yes. Hairspray, deodorants, lotions, some little trial size of Dramamine. We don't really get motion sick, but always have it just to be prepared. We'll also have some Tylenol and Excedrin. That's the Downy wrinkle release.
This is for me. It's breathe right strips just in case I have issues and start snoring so the boys can sleep. I like to take this with us. It's swim ear because you never know if you're going to get water in your ears. That'll help. Chapstick. No, don't forget your chapstick. Different climate. You never know what can happen to your lips. Eye drops just in case. And then a Tide to go because we spill things on us quite often.
And by we, she means Tony gets something on him every time he eats. So you know, this is just a little overview of all of our stuff that we got today. I know by the time we leave, there'll be more stuff in there. We'll accumulate some more things. But we got... this is just what we bought shopping. We've also got the power strip. I know I showed you guys about that. Not a surge protector. We'll also need our aloe and our after sun lotion and all that stuff.
And in-sun lotion.
And in-sun sunscreen. So anything else that you can think of?
One more thing. Yes, if you are going with a group especially, you need Post-it notes. So you can stick them on the walls or the doors or whatever. Our room steward left us a note on a sticky note last time. That was kind of cool.
Yeah.
So just something, you know, you can put it on the door and be like, hey, back in 20 or whatever.
So we're getting excited. We're ready to go. And, you know, this is just the next step in our preparation. So we get to start packing soon. Mm-hmm. All right. Well, hope you guys have a good night. I'm Tony.
I'm Kelsey.
We're Tony Travels. And we'll see you tomorrow.